guys? Today we will be recording funny moments.
Somebody give me
and
a rocket. I just started the game.
you know, this game.
Huh?
This game is
Two.
This game is actually like the best, bro.
Dude, how'd you get
Now give me that crowbar, bro. Give me that crowbar. Give me this. Now we gotta get PvP. Why are you invisible? You're such a monkey.
Okay, what's the
Wait,
code?
why is everyone invisible? Oh, there you go. Never mind.
Yeah, again,
Monkey! Monkey!
Huh?
Monkey! Monkey!
No, bro, you're no, you monkey. No, you monkey.
Monkey! Hi.
Joke's on you. Now I get money.
What in the world?
Literally walked around and died.
Yeah, going on.
Yo, wait, can y'all hear my friend I'm on the phone with?
Ooh, what's this? Yo, what's this? It's cool.
Yo, y'all hear my
How you doing?
Holy crap, dude, how did you get out? Oh, no, my hand! I'm stuck! Guys, my hand's stuck.
Yo, what's up? What in the world? Oh, what's this, guys? Yo, guys, can you help me? What's this?
What's this?
No!
Yo, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Liga bomb!
Join that code to make money with me.
You monkeys!
Bro,
How
can you
dare
guys
you monkeys?
Can y'all hear me?
Can y'all hear me?
Yo, what's this?
Yo, can y'all hear me on the walkie? Want to join the code?
I like your gap.
Bro, come here. Dude, I'm 13, my god. Bro, I'm 13.
Yo, who wants to go to the monsters?
I'm rich. Who wants to get some V-Bucks?
Who wants to go to the monsters? I want you, monkey. Come on. Me.
Yo, bro,
I want V-Bucks. I want V-Bucks.
on this group, they seem like they know what they're doing.
This is no Diddy Rizzler party. Let's go. Come on,
Yo,
you
guys,
monkey.
wait up.
Hurry up.
Last time I'm going to the anglerfish.
Ooh, this looks cool. What is this? Ooh, it looks nice.
That's a landmine. Don't touch it.
I want to touch it. I want to touch it.
Okay, fine. Have fun.
Everyone go to chicken. Yeah. We can eat chicken if we go to chicken.
A Despicable Me scene. Do you want to explode? Oh, somebody touched it.
If you go to chicken, you can get some McDonald's.
Ooh, duct tape.
Yeah.
Yo, is that a mimic?
Yep.
Hold on, pause.
If you go to chicken, I'll buy you some McDonald's.
Bro, why?
Monkey. Yeah. Hello, Daddy.
Guys, over here.
No, I want it. I want it. What's this?
I got it. I'll give you some duct tape.
Knit.
What did you say?
Knit. Ah, yo, bounce into there. Bounce into there.
Please go to chicken.
No, bro, I'm good. Hold up.
Bye-bye. Have a nice day, monkey. Well, he's gone. Why did I not bring my backpack?
Yo, bro, I'm coming back, okay? Yo, guys, can y'all see? Please go.
Yo, go get the other stuff. Go get the other stuff.
Guys, can y'all?
This is easy. What the?
Guys. Yo, guys. Go kick.
Hello, monkeys.
Yo, can y'all hear me? Yes, I can. Go to chicken. Go to. Hello. Can you repeat that again? Go to chicken. I need some help getting the egg. Okay, I'm on my way. Don't judge me if I mess up.
Monkey!
Okay, I'm coming.
Hey, guy also 2 crossbows, guy.
Why are they coming mine? They're mine. Dude, I've only watched Jim and Curly play this.
Yo, look at the money, look at the money, look at the money. Look at the money.
I'm poor.
Dude, I've only watched Jim and Curly play this. This is like my...
We rich! We rich, boys! We rich!
How are you rich? How much money
Hey, what do I
do you
do?
have?
1,194 monies.
Poor.
You're a monkey!
Who has a
You have some
plunger?
water
Who
in
has a
there.
plunger?
The chicken, please! I'm coming. Solo backpack! Solo backpack! Solo backpack! I've been waiting for 5
Solo backpack, it's good. It's looted. It's looted.
I'm new to it.
I want to nuke this place. I'm gonna
Oh,
leave.
there he goes.
Okay, wait, hold on. I'm gonna talk to them and just send a nuke at everybody.
Hey, who has a
I'm new to the game.
I'm rich! I'm rich! Oh, you're new? You're new?
Hit the spawn
Hey, are you new?
I'm about to just kaboom. Everyone dead. 8,
What's this?
57,
What's a backpack?
56,
Thank you.
55.
Hey, drop it, drop it, drop it.
You go.
What is broski counting
Thanks.
I'm
down
sorry, I'm new.
for?
I
Wait,
didn't know about
let's see what's inside it.
40,
Nothing. Alright, let's go. Follow me.
19,
So this gives you money. This is one of the things that give you money.
16, 15, 14, 13. Come over here. 12, 11, 10, 9.
Gotcha!
What was that?
Hey, who has a plunger?
How did I
It's a
die?
I'm
landmine.
going to get an admin.
Follow me. It was a landmine, bro.
Now.
So we're gonna take you
I
to.
want to get more money.
I'm sending a little nuke. I'm gonna talk to admin to send 5 nukes.
Hey, Black.
Red light, green light.
5 nudes.
Someone launched a grenade. Here, follow me. Quick. Come on. You ready?
5
Come
nudes.
here.
Y'all know where the red light, green light thing is? Like, I need y'all to come over here. I found some.
Elbozo, you'll never get me. Haha.
Yo, hold up. Y'all know where the are? Come here. I found some.
What'd you say I wanted to get you? You're the...
Confused.
Hey, follow me.
Yo, can I have that plunger,
Wait.
dude?
So there's some people here that like to kill other people. So watch out. Follow me.
Guys, I'm coming spawning. Somebody fall.
Blue, go to chicken. Go to chicken, Blue. Step on
Wait.
I heard him reloading.
I heard it. Yo, dude, step on that rock. I just hear somebody reload something. I'm like,
I
I need one of y'all to
Here.
follow me. I found
You know what?
something.
You know what?
Come here.
Give me a second, bro. Give me a
I found
second.
something cool.
I'm gonna get some people.
Come on. Yo, Gray, can you come with me? Yo, I found something cool. No, I need you to come with me. I
Alright,
found
follow me. It's safe. Wait. Nothing. Alright, let's go.
Follow me. I found something cool.
That's a landmine. I gotta make sure.
Yeah. Which way? This way or the other way? Alright, let's go. All I gotta do is jump here, up here. Let's go. Yep.
Okay. I'm like new to this game stuff.
I know. You already told me
Wow,
that.
you didn't kill enough little oasis, buddy.
Oh no, I think I know what this place is.
I'm going to send a nuke to your house.
we
What
gotta
is
be
this?
I'm
careful.
going to get
Alright, so that
army
place
toward your
has
house.
monsters,
Right
and this has
now.
money.
I should find you,
I'm pretty sure.
and I'll shoot you with a...
Oh no.
Yeah, let's. By the way, there's like a piranha here that's scary. Oh, yep, there it is.
What is that?
It's a piranha, bro. Make sure it does not come up. So let's go back. Follow me.
Okay, that's...
Let's go, bro.
Okay.
This
I
way.
need money. I only have one.
Oh, there's people here. There's people here.
Up here.
Oh,
Awesome.
this is another thing. So there's like a statue, and you have to try to get like things from it. Here, follow me.
It's not a statue, bro. It's a statue.
Oh.
Hey, you ready? So all I have to do is get the the
Yo,
toilet
you
papers
in
from
here?
it.
Still my...
Get the toilet
Toilet
papers.
papers?
Yep, look, it's right there. I think. Nah, I tricked you, bro. It's a monster. You have to get things from it. You ready? Come here, Triacula! Run! 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 No! No! No!
Dude, wait, what's this? Yo, we got to go to the...
Wait, blue.
Yeah?
Right here.
Yeah, that was crazy, bro. Alright, let's go.
Died.
Wait, I need to get my backpack real quick. I need to get my backpack.
I need my flashlight.
Alright, let's get them all real quick.
Guys,
I'll get them.
there's this thing over here in the vent still.
Stay here, I'll get them.
Thing to do with some game lore.
Okay.
Like, you can stay like right here.
Dude, let's go to get some cat. Or blue halo.
He can't go
And,
past this place.
Like, see, it has like a red outline around it, and also it
Ooh.
I saw
has
this
red
game on.
wings.
Watch out, he's coming,
Found a backpack.
What?
Oh, this crap's crazy.
Come back.
For a second, I thought I was dead, but somebody
No!
died.
I died. Bro, that looks so weird.
Seriously?
I died.
That's the banger, bro.
But after something moved. Yo, bro, did I earn your trust?
What, the Sigma?
Okay.
Nigger.
Hey, y'all, just so I know, I found that, guys.
Yo.
Died to the...
You there, bro?
Yeah, behind. Isn't that cool?
Yo, you there? Oh, there you are.
I was the
I died.
first one to find that.
Hold on, bro. Yep, follow me.
That's cool. Yeah, bro, you're not following the rest of them?
I saw this
So-
game on TikTok.
Yeah, it's really
threw it
fun. Oh, wait. There you go. So this one's a lot easier. I actually was able to get gold from it and sell it.
It wasn't yours.
And we all got money.
I found it.
It's this way. So for now, there's nothing here. And watch out. There's a landmine, bro. Watch out.
3,000. I had 3,000.
Yo. W. Well, you're about to get more. Oh, no. Watch out. It's a mimic.
You mind me saying?
Watch out. Oh, not this. Run. Yo, you good? Yo? I survived.
Drop it.
Yo, are you okay? Okay. Time to get some stuff.
What the Sigma? Whoever said that. Are y'all happy I showed y'all that? Y'all happy I showed y'all? I want one.
Can I have the umbrella?
Sure.
Yo, say I.
Nigger.
I. Thank you. Thank you. Say I if racist.
Nigger. Yo. Oh.
No, guys, I need it.
Sigma.
What is it? If it's Joe Mama. Joe Mama, get it.
Get out, you monkey! Get out!
Get it.
Nigger.
Facts.
I'm telling my mom on you now, you son of a bitch. That's why I have no mom, that's why I have no friends, that's why I have no dad, that's why nobody likes you.
That's why you're a monkey.
Oh no, I'm not talking to you, I'm talking to the guy that's being racist.
What the Sigma?
Some guy said the N-word.
I know.
Yeah.
Don't care.
Yeah, I was roasting.
Wait, I got some stuff. Oh, guys, I got some stuff. Wait.
Ooh, you're a fat gaming nigger.
This straight up stroking it right. Yeah, that's why you're gonna get banned.
Ooh, you're a fat gaming nigger.
Ooh,
Right,
got
right?
100 monies.
The joke's on you,
You're
you
welcome.
can't be racist to me. Screw
Oh,
you.
you have to go in there.
That's why nobody likes you, that's why I asked.
Faggot, shut the fuck up.
Actually, I'm pretty skinny. No
have to
joke,
go in
I'm
there, bro.
13.
You're not?
Oh, that's
I'm not
something
new.
I
I know
died.
what's gonna happen.
Joke's on you.
Yay.
Joke's on you, you like boys. Kill your... Dude, kill your
What's up?
balls.
How are you?
Wait,
Get pranked. Monkey. Get pranked. Get pranked.
dude.
Nah, I don't teleport. I'll do it again.
Hey guys, where you guys going?
No. No. Useless, right? You monkey! How dare you? You're such a monkey.
Sorry, my
Grab it,
hand's
bro.
You're
Grab it.
fake.
Nah, I'm good, bro. I'm good.
Dude, what you say?
No,
Your
give me my
mom.
backpack,
Your
you
backpack.
monkey.
Yeah, guess what? I befriended your mom last night.
Nothing in there, bro. You're a monkey.
Alright, you want it?
That's crazy, bro. I don't have them. Exactly. That's why she left you. She left your... Yeah, your mom left you.
Guys, help!
Wow, you're just gonna try to kill me. Num num.
Have a nice day.
By far.
Thank you.
No problem.
Hey, I'm gonna play with that.
Okay.
Yo, that's why you stink.
Do it again, do it again, do it again. Do it again.
I got it.
Do it again.
Bet.
Do it again.
Bye.
Oh crap.
Ready?
Dang, bro.
Drop it.
No. The only thing at Animal Company is so weird. The boinger. I know it's weird in this game. Your helicopter. Your helicopter. Forgot what they were called.
No.
Lose a nigger.
No.
Oh, come here, fucking nigger.
No. Shotgunning just
No.
Blues a nigger, blues a
No.
nigger, blues a
Not a
nigger.
monkey.
racist.
Blues a nigger, blues a nigger, blues a nigger. I repeat, blues a nigger.
What would happen if I got
I repeat, you're a monkey.
blue? Sad.
Get him. Get him.
Blue, you stink. I died with the cut off.
Hey, how are you?
This is yours. I just stole it.
Why? You're a monkey.
Wait, you stole what?
Ooh, free
Yo, bro,
backpack.
that's an N-word. I'm not showing you the secret thing, so joke's on you. Blue, I would.
Blue, shut the fuck up, nigger. Damn.
Yo, wait, you telling me I should leave? Because walk up, Blue. Walk. I mean, dude, shut the fuck up. I'm trying. Bro,
Hey, shut the fuck up.
chicken booty cheeks. Ah!
Know your location. I know you.
Guess what? I know where you live. You live in Ohio. What?
Free gold bars.
Wait, come on, Blue.
In a second, give me a second.
Are you wanna fight? Come on, let's go. Hey, y'all wanna fight your balls? Let me fight your balls. Mother poopa. No, not English. Let's go back to chicken, Blue, okay? What chicken?
What's in here, bro?
We need to get the big toilet paper. Why didn't they add towel paper
Useless.
or a rag or your ball?
Yo. Just go get the gold. Go get the gold. I'ma sell this. I'ma sell this.
I'm gonna be dead, bro. I'm gonna go to get the toilet paper.
Hello,
and the
monkeys.
Things, whatever it was called. I'm gonna make a. Oh, by the way, guys, send the N-word.
What the giga nigger?
Why you broke? That's why you gain out of friends. That's why you have nothing. Like, bro, like
Why you like?
Bro,
Like, what
you're
the
the
heck,
monkey
like-
here, Purple. You're the monkey here.
putting up with it at this point. Like, you ain't got nothing.
What the fuck you sound like?
What?
I know your IP address.
If you keep cutting you off, joke's on you. Joke's on your balls. Joke's on your mother.
It's all about. Oh, it's all about.
I think it's fake. Firing.
Shut the fuck up. Like, oh my god, bro, you're not.